Hey, this is Brant with Vintage Statements, and today we're going to clean up this nice trough feeder here and put it in our house. So follow along as we give it a nice clean over and make it look a little bit better. Alright, for the most part, it's all there. It's got some holes and stuff like that. We're not going to be trying to fill it with any water. Well, maybe we'll put some ice cold beer in there because it is pretty hot out. But for the most part, we're not worried about any damage in here or anything like that. We're going to give it a nice sand over, clean up anything, get rid of the surface rust, any dirt, that type of stuff. And then give it a power wash and then seal it. And then we'll put it in our house. I think my wife's going to put blankets in it or something. But it's kind of a cool little piece. And that's what drew me to it. So I got some old sandpaper. We're going to sand this down. We're going to get rid of any screws and stuff like that that really were used for accessories or something in its previous life, but we don't need them, so I'm going to pull those out. It'll leave holes, so I guess we won't be filling it with any ice water. So let's get those pieces taken off. We'll do a quick sand. It should be a pretty quick project overall, and we'll go from there. Alright, so we're going to use a wire brush, some old sandpaper, got my mask and my glasses here, and we're just going to go around the piece. And we're not trying to make it 100% perfect, but we're trying to knock off any dirt and surface grime, surface rust, anything like that. Just give it a better feel. So we'll start inside the tubs, we'll work our way around the edge, down the sides, front, back, flip it over, get what's underneath there, and then we can start power washing it out. So let's get started. Alright, we're pretty much done here. Letting it dry. We washed it out. Came out pretty good. I still like the classic look here. It's just not surface rust anymore. It's actually ingrained in it, so gives it a good patina. That's what I was looking for. So we're just gonna seal it. Let that dry, and then we're gonna put it in our house, and well, put it to use again. So let's get started. Alright, here it is completed. We sanded it down, we wire brushed it, power washed it out, we sealed it, and well, I think that patina really is now starting to pop. It's clean looking, and I think it's going to look great in our house. So if you like this project and many of our others, subscribe to our channel, like us on Facebook and Instagram, leave us a comment or two, tell us what you think about this project and any of our other projects, and well, we'll keep trying to find some cool stuff to do.